right. Good morning, everyone. I'm Sam Scarpino. I'm the Director of Artificial Intelligence and Life Sciences. I'm also faculty in the Bouvé College of Health Sciences and Curry College of Computer Sciences at Northeastern. My focus as an individual researcher is on translational public health and improved clinical decision-making. I'm really thrilled to welcome all of you today, and also one of the co-chairs, Jean Tunik. Our third co-chair, Ray Winslow, will be giving the closing keynote, so you'll have an opportunity to hear from Ray towards the end of the day.
Hi, everyone. Welcome. Thank you for coming. My name is Jean Tunik. I'm the Director of AI plus Health at the Institute for Experiential AI and a professor in physical therapy, movement, and rehab sciences. I'm a PT by background and a neuroscientist, and my research focuses on the brain's role in motor control and learning and disease. Welcome, and pass it back to you, Sam.
Great, thanks. So, to those of you online, we're also thrilled that you're here. You can submit questions and other ideas through some of the interactive features. Obviously, for those of you in person, we encourage you to network during the coffee breaks and during lunch. As I mentioned, we have an ambitious agenda to all of the speakers. We will be trying very hard to keep you to time, so we ask you to cooperate with us where possible and with the timekeepers. You're going to hear a lot today about what we mean by health and precision health and what we think some of the realistic opportunities and challenges are. The other thing I'd like all of you to keep in your minds, for those of you that attended the education workshop yesterday, I brought this up, but I want you to think about why we had 2 of the Nobel Prizes, chemistry and physics, associated with AI, but missed on medicine. And what does that tell us about some of the unique challenges associated with health, medicine, and living systems that may preclude advances in AI without the right kinds of collaboration with the people in the room? So I think that hopefully is something that you're all thinking about today as we go through the agenda.
I feel like we're at the Oscars here. I'm ready to, yes, yeah. Before I introduce our first speaker, Dean Sceppa, on a slightly more somber note, I'd like to just take a moment and join me in wishing well wishes and prayers to those who are recovering from Hurricane Helene and Hurricane Milton, and of course we wish them for their safety. To officially open today's event, I'm honored to introduce Dr. Carmen Sceppa. She is the Dean of the Bouvé College of Health Sciences at Northeastern University. Dean Sceppa is a clinician, a researcher, and a leader whose work focuses on promoting health and wellness, especially for underserved and vulnerable populations. She led her groundbreaking research in how lifestyle interventions can improve health outcomes, especially among older adults. Originally from Guatemala, Dean Sceppa has built an impressive academic and research career, including receiving her MD degree in Guatemala and her PhD in nutrition right here in Boston at Tufts. So please join in welcoming Dean Sceppa.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to be here to really just welcome all of you and the presenters and panelists. As mentioned, I'm Carmen Sceppa, Dean of the Bouvé College of Health Sciences, and I'm really thrilled to be talking today about the state of AI in precision health. We are excited, more importantly, to bring a multidisciplinary perspective of industry, research, and academic leaders to discuss this very important aspect of AI in the life and health sciences, particularly as it relates to medical care, bedside and hospital at home care, drug discovery and development, diagnosis, prediction, and therapy, as well as organizational success, and just as importantly, responsible AI. Northeastern University is known for its experiential learning model, high-impact, use-inspired research, deep partnerships, and worldwide reach. From its inception, the university has pursued innovative research and discovery that is all grounded on experiential learning and interactions, as well as engagement in the world. Northeastern's strategic vision is to erase traditional boundaries, empower students, faculty, alumni, partners, and innovators to solve challenging problems in the world in pursuit of impact. This conference today aligns with such values. Speaking specifically on AI, in a recent report from the National Academy of Medicine about the current and future state of artificial intelligence in healthcare, the authors noted the unprecedented and promising opportunities AI offers to augment the care, and I would add, the well-being and quality of life of individuals and populations. The digitization of healthcare data and the rapid uptake in technology are fueling transformation and progress in the development and use of AI in healthcare. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention expand on the role of AI as it relates to processing massive amounts of data that are really just hard for humans to do by themselves and to do at scale, to help discover relationships in the data that are hard for traditional methods to find. Moreover, the NIH, National Institutes of Health, refers to the impactful role of AI and public health and population health due to its applications in modeling, in risk prediction, misinformation control, surveillance, and forecasting, with a focus on equity and social justice. As you can see from all of these and what you hear today, the remarkable growth and acceptance of AI in a variety of domains, particularly in healthcare, provides rich opportunities for designing intelligent products, advancing skills and talent, creating novel services, and generating new business models. At the same time, the use of AI can introduce social and ethical challenges to security, privacy, and human rights, which also need to be addressed. We hope you will be inspired and challenged by today's presentations and discussions as we collectively, across disciplines and sectors, seek to advance the fields of AI-enabled precision health. So welcome again to all of you here, in person and online. Before I get started with the fireside chat, I'd like to take a moment to introduce someone who represents the future of health informatics here at Northeastern University. Erin O'Neill is a master's student in the Health Informatics program, which is actually a joint program between the Curry College of Computer Science and the Bouvé College of Health Sciences. And she's here to share her journey and how she plans to contribute to this evolving field of health data science. Erin, we're excited to hear about your remarks.
Good morning, everyone. Esteemed Northeastern faculty and fellow health data science field leaders, my name is Erin O'Neill, and I'm here to briefly offer the perspective of someone entering the cutting-edge AI and health sciences industry and my transformative experiences thus far. One of my early professors once told me that success is the difference between chasing the bus and waiting for the next one. However, after taking a biostatistics class and learning R programming, I realized I was chasing the wrong bus. The class made it clear that my assumptions about coding were misplaced. I discovered that coding is about crafting algorithms to uncover insights and communicating complex ideas effectively. This shift in perspective allowed me to see coding as a tool for exploration, expression, and real-world impact. Like many Northeastern students, I participated in experiential learning opportunities, including co-op. My first co-op as a medical assistant revealed the complexities of healthcare and the need for deeper integration between front-end practices and back-end data management. Leaning on what I had learned in biostatistics, I realized that improving patient outcomes and healthcare delivery demands more than just medical knowledge. It demands a comprehensive understanding of how data is collected, managed, and used to inform clinical decisions. After years of following the linear path I had drawn for myself, I decided to rewrite my story. I enrolled in data science courses, and suddenly I wasn't surrounded by pre-med students anymore. When my data science professor asked if anyone was interested in healthcare, I was the only student to raise my hand. Later, in a public health policy class, when asked if anyone was a coder, again, I stood alone. That got me thinking, why was this the case? To me, healthcare and data science don't exist in silos. I wanted others to see that too. This is when I became vocal about the power of coding. I applied to Northeastern's Accelerated Masters in Health Informatics program and became the second student ever accepted. Shortly after, I was asked to be a teaching assistant for a summer program called Innovations in Health Professions. I jumped at the opportunity. Reflecting on my own journey, from dismissing coding to embracing it as a key part of my identity, I saw this as a chance to inspire others. I used the program to encourage students to learn the basics of coding, emphasizing how it could transform their interactions with patient data in clinical practice. Just as coding had reshaped my thinking and communication, I wanted others to see the benefit of a computational mindset in their careers as healthcare professionals. Discomfort and growth occur concurrently. As I advanced in data science, I felt increasingly disconnected from my pre-med peers. Yet, I embraced this unconventional path, which led me to my role as a data scientist co-op at a biopharmaceutical company. Initially, I struggled with imposter syndrome, but I soon recognized that my healthcare and data science skill set equipped me with a rare perspective. My background in patient care provided context and purpose to my work, while my technical skills allowed me to approach challenges programmatically. This blend of knowledge allowed me to collaborate with benchtop scientists, developing tools to identify new therapeutic targets and unlock the potential of data in drug discovery. Despite once thinking I'd never be a coder, coding has become my way of connecting with others and driving change. As I look ahead to pursuing a PhD, I'm focused on educating future healthcare professionals at the intersection of natural, clinical, and computer sciences. I'm incredibly grateful to be among such innovative thinkers who are committed to improving patient outcomes, ensuring equitable treatment, and advancing interdisciplinary collaboration. Let's have a great conference. Thank you.
Thank you, Erin. It's really wonderful to see the transformative path here at Northeastern University, but Erin embodies what our students are like. They are really experiencing, exploring, applying in very, very significant ways. So great to have you here.